Hey guys, my name is Michael. I'm from Siesta and you're about to meet the Siesta Atlantic. Alright guys, so the first step is we're going to open up the roof. Let me show you how. Come through. So, you need to make sure that the sliding door is open before you open up the roof. To do that, you're going to release the safety strap right over there. And you can find two buttons here. You're going to release them as well. As we move to the side here, you can see that there is a metal wire. You're going to use one thumb, click the wire, and the other thumb is going to hold the latch. Once that's done, you can lift up this gray piece and you can do the same on the other side. So you're going to use two hands and you're going to press up all the way. And that's how you open the roof. When you are ready, you can lift the bed up and it will create some more living area space and it's much easier for you guys to start cooking. When closing the roof, you need to remember that the sliding door needs to be opened. Once you're ready to close the roof, you're going to grab on the bed, bring it down all the way. Then there's two black straps. With both hands, you're going to pull them down until you've reached halfway. With one hand, you're going to pull the canvas in, and with the other hand, the same. Balance it down with your head and make sure the canvas is in on the inside. Then you're going to turn around, still holding on the black straps, and drop the roof. Then, to close the roof, you need to make sure that you roll the canvas in and tuck it into the corner. Then, using the silver hook, hook it onto the metal piece. To secure this in place, you're going to put one finger in between the red strap and one finger in between the black strap and pull towards you. Just like that. Then, you're going to use your other hand to clamp it back. Once it's nice and secure, use your thumb, press the wire back, and clip it right into place. We're going to do the same on the other side. With the access canvas, all you can do is roll it up and make sure that the safety belt is always on. So, to maximize your living space, all you need to do is rotate your passenger seat all the way around. Let's show you how to do it. All you have to do is lift up the black lever, bring the chair halfway. In the middle of the seat at the bottom, you will find a red lever. You're going to press that down and rotate the chair in the direction of the living space. And now, to use your interior table, you can grab it from the compartment right over here. As you can see, there's two hooks right here, as well as a leg. What you're going to do now is, you're going to hook the table on this rail, just like this. And you will find a button by the leg. You're going to click the button and the leg will drop all the way down. When you are ready to cook, you can turn on the gas by finding it in this cabinet right here. Underneath the sink, you will find a valve. All you need to do is turn it the other way around. If it is perpendicular to the gas pipe, then it is closed. If it's parallel to the pipe, then it's open. So, once the gas is on, all you need to do is lift up both of the glass panels to avoid any damages. Once you're ready, you can click on the starter over here, press the gas hob down and spark it up. Just like that. To use the sink, you need to put the water pump on right over here and make sure that the orange light comes on. Once that's done, you can lift the tap and open it up. Once the sink is on, you can hear a brrrt sound. That sound is the water pump and you'll have some good flow. Once that's done, you can put the tap down. You need to make sure that you turn the water pump off and you can close the glass. Everything you need to cook will be found in these cabinets. Just over there, and you have a drawer here with all of your cutlery. So, to use your fridge, it can remain on at all times throughout your trip. To power it on, you can switch it on right here and make sure that the orange light is on. Then you can open it up and adjust to your desired temperature inside. To use the lights in your van, you can have a look on the control panel here, and you can use the switches to control different sides of the lights. So here you will find USBs which work all the time, and you will also find a 2-pin plug. The 2-pin will only work if the van is on charge. Everything you need to know about your van will be displayed right here. The leisure battery is 12.64 volts, which is okay. If it drops below 12, that means you need to drive or you need to charge the van. So always keep an eye on the voltage. If we click the downward facing arrow, we can go to the next screen, which will tell you about the start battery. It is 12.32 volts, which is good. And if we click again, we can see the water tanks. On the left hand side, we have the fresh water tank, which has a capacity of 38 liters, and the waste water, which is currently on 0%. To find your heater, you can open up the flap over here, roll back the trolley door, and it's found just over here. If you want to power it on, just click the big circle, click on heating, temperature mode, and you can select your desired temperature, just like that, and click on. At the bottom, you will see for how long it will stay on for. Currently, it's 7 hours and 0 minutes. Once it's on the screen, you can turn the dial until you get off, click it, and the heater will turn off. The vent for the heating can be found underneath the passenger seat. And now it's time to prepare the bed. To do that, you're going to take your 2 hands, lifting the seat towards you, and you're going to bring the seat all the way forward. Once that's down, you can find this black lever right here, lift it up. With your other hand, you're going to pull the backrest all the way down. And now the bed is made. For some fresh air, you can open up the zips on the canvas. They're also protected with a mosquito net. You just zip it all the way down and you have some fresh air throughout the evening. With the access, you can just use both hands and roll up the canvas all the way. You have these straps here with a button. You can clip it in just like that. Right. Now we are ready to prepare the bed upstairs. To do that, you're going to lift the armrests up. With both hands, you can pull the bed all the way down. Once you're ready to climb up, you can place one foot on the seat and the other foot on the shoulder and hop right up. Now it's time for the awning. Let's go. You can find the awning tool in this cabinet right here. Open up the cabinet and take the awning tool out. You can adjust it in this position. It's important to remember that when you're opening the awning, both of the doors are closed. Once you're ready, you can use the awning tool, put it in the silver piece and start rolling out. We always suggest that you roll the awning at least 1 meter out so that you can drop the legs for some support. Inside the black flap, right over here, you can find the legs of the awning. You're gonna click out and drop the leg. You will also find a small gray latch which you will need to click up in order to secure the leg in place. And you can do the same on the other side. Once both legs of the awning is out, you can grab the awning tool again and start rolling. Then you can move the legs in the correct position that you would like, as well as lifting them higher. To close the awning, you're going to flip this down, lift all the way up, bring the leg inwards, make sure that the foot of the leg is facing the outside, and it's a spring mechanism which clicks right into place. Once you're done with the awning, you can take it out and put the tool back where you found it. You can find the shower head in the same cabinet. Once you're ready to take a shower outside, remove it from the bag, roll out the cable, and you can lift up this black latch here and you can find the pump in here. So there is a small black switch, you can turn it on. Using the hose with the golden piece and the pin, match the pin with the hole you find, and you're ready to go. Just make sure that the water pump is on in the inside of the van as well. When you're ready to open up the wastewater, you can do that by locating this gray lever, pulling towards you, and the water will come right out. If you run out of gas during your trip, you can locate the gas bottle in the cabinet below the shower. Please make sure that the gas is turned off in the kitchen, then you can turn off the valve right over here. When you need to refill on fresh water, on the van's keys you can find a small black key. Use it to unlock the water tank. Press down and remove the lid. Once you're filling the water and it's coming back out, then you know the tank will be full. To put it back, you can locate the 3 pins over here, match them with the grooves inside, press down and lock. When your van is ready to be charged, you can find the cable inside. Then you can lift up the black panel here. You're going to lift the blue circle and insert it inside the black square. Make sure the pins align and press in. Once the van is done charging, you can remove the cable by pressing down with your thumb on the blue latch, holding with the other hand and pulling out. Thank you so much guys for staying tuned, and I hope that you have a fantastic trip. We will see you when we get back. Cheers for now.